Scientific pickup lines, chemistry pickup lines. Chem students do it on the table periodically. You're like an exothermic reaction, you spread your hotness everywhere. Do you have 11 protons? Cause your sodium fine. If I was an enzyme, I'd be DNA helicase so I could unzip your genes. Are you made of copper and tellurium? Because you're cute. Billions of neutrinos penetrate you every second. Mind if I join in? I'm attracted to you so strongly, scientists will have to develop a fifth fundamental force. You must be oxen, because you're causing me to have rapid stem elongation. Girl, you must be made of fluorine, iodine, and neon, because you are fine. You must be calcium bicarbonate, because if you let me get you wet, then the reaction will be explosive. Baby, every time I see you, my cardiovascular system gets all worked up. You know why men are so much sexier than women? Because you can't spell sexy without XY. I wish I were adenine because then I could get paired with you. My bond length might be short, but it can still give you some electron density. Let's find out our combined volume, by displacing the water in my water bed. You must be a compound of beryllium and barium because you're a total babe. You're so cute you make my zygomaticus muscles contract. Muscles that make you smile. Babe, you must be a neuron, because you got some action potential. Want to test the spring constant of my matrix? We have great chemistry, let's do some biology. I must be a diamond now, because you just gave me a hardness of 10. Baby, you've definitely got potential, my place would be a great place to convert it to kinetic. When you and me get together it's like superposition of two waves in phase. You are the HCl to my NaOH, let's make sweet love and make an ocean together. Is it getting hot in here? Or is it just our bond that is forming? Girl gave me arsenic sulfide so I tore that ass up. Baby, you must be made of mica rock because you have perfect cleavage. Want to meet up so I can excite your natural frequency? Why don't we measure the coefficient of static friction between me and you? You know. It's not the length of the vector that counts, it's how you apply the force. If I was an endoplasmic reticulum, how would you want me, smooth or rough? I wish I was an ion so I could form an exothermic bond with you. If my right leg is the cell wall and my left the membrane, do you want to be the cytoplasm? Let's meet somewhere, you bring your beaker and I'll bring my stirring rod. Let's get together and test the spring potential of my matrix. Let's discover our coefficient of friction. You be fluorine and I'll be francium and maybe later I can give you an electron. My sudden protracted cardiac arrhythmia tells me I love you. You must be chlorine cause you are polarizing my bond. Baby, if you let your acid react with my base, you can count on getting 100 moles of my water and salt. That dress would look better accelerating towards the floor at 9.8 m/s/s. I wanna stick to you like glucose. Even if there wasn't gravity on Earth, I'd still fall for you. Hi, does your body consist of oxygen and neon? Because you are the one. Baby, I can feel an attraction between you and me, and it's more than just our universal gravitation. If I could rearrange the periodic table, I'd put uranium and iodine together. Baby, we've got chemistry together, next period. My psychiatrist sent me for an MRI because she thinks I have a magnetic personality. How about we make like the change of base law, with you on the bottom and me on top? Hey baby, if I supply the voltage and you a little resistance, imagine the current we can make together. V equal IR equal, V/R, equal I. Baby, stop with Diet Coke, you've got plenty of aspartame. Are you on the periodic table? Cause you are sodium fine. Even if there was no gravity left on Earth I'd still fall for you. It's a good thing you've got evaporative cooling, cause I'm gonna make you sweat. Hey baby, let's figure out the torque of your mass on my rod. You're so hot, you must be the cause for global warming. Can I be the phaser to your electron and take you to an excited state? I might be a physics major, but I'm no Bohr in bed. Are you full of beryllium, gold, and titanium, because you are bio-titanium full? Let's make like a transcription factor and response element and turn things on. If I were a Schwann cell, I'd squeeze around your axon and give you a fast action potential. Let's convert our potential energy to kinetic energy. Baby, you give my electrons a positive charge. You're hotter than a Bunsen burner set to full power. Baby, together you and I make uranium iodide, UI3. Do you like science? 'Cause tonight you're gonna sample my DNA. Can I bombard your singularity with my rocket ship until you supernova? Let's work out our orbicularis oris muscles together. The direction fields of my heart all point to you. Are you a carbon sample? Because I want to date you. Hello. I've been admiring your bacterial signature. I believe you and I could prove the lock and key model later tonight. Want to be my substrate/enzyme? Baby, let's measure the amplitude of our physical wave. If I was a plant, you'd make my roots extend. Baby, you must be a start codon because you are turning me on. Wanna alkylate my alkoxide? It's nucleophilic and ready to backside. Attack the halogen out of you. Baby, you must be a pile of dinosaur bones, 'cause I dig you. Baby, I'm like an oceanic plate on a gravity slide, I can't wait to subduct beneath your crust. You're so hot you denature my proteins. If you were anatomy, then I'd be physiology because they always go together. Hey, up for some high-energy quantum tunneling tonight? If you were a concentration gradient, I'd go down on you. Girl, whenever I am near you, I undergo anaerobic respiration because you take my breath away. If you were C6, and I were H12, all we would need is the air we breathe to be sweeter than sugar. You must be a magnetic monopole because all I get from you is attraction. I just bought a molecular model kit, want to play with my stick and balls? Girl, are you a charged atom, because I've got my eye on you? Forget hydrogen, you're my number one element. Are you a scientist? Because I lab you. You are like a proton in my core, without you I could never be the same. Hey baby, wanna form a synapse with me and exchange neurotransmitters? Baby, if you were oceanic crust and I was a continent, I'd let you subduct so we can make hot magma. Hey baby, wanna form a zygote? You're a moving electric charge, and I'm a moving magnetic charge. Wanna flux? If you were an element, you'd be francium, because you're the most attractive. I don't need neurons to stimulate your sensory system. If I could program the universe, I would allocate you and I in contiguous memory blocks. Are you a non-volatile particle? Because you raise my boiling point. If you were a laser, you'd be set on stunning. You must be a cell, 'cause my DNA is all in you. My love for you is like the universe never ending. I'm trying to determine after years of therapy and lots of testing whether or not I'm allergic to sex. Hey baby, can I be your enzyme? Because my active site is dying for a chemical reaction. I'm a twig. You're a twig. Let's rub together and make a fire. Baby, if you let me pump my H+ ions into your intermembrane space, it would induce a massive conformational change in my F1 complex. I'd be the photon to your electron and take you to an excited state. Baby, if you were oceanic crust and I was a continent, I'd let you subduct so we can make hot magma. What say we slip between my beta pleated sheets and you get to know my alpha helix? Baby, I'm gonna break you like a large nonpolar substance breaks a phospholipid bilayer. How about you palmitoylate my protein, so I can drive it into your lipid raft?